The last few months have been very challenging and stressful to everyone around the world. Thankfully, businesses around the country are reopening, and this includes Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. It's only natural that due to panic around the country that people would have a fear of contracting the virus if they visit the business. But I want to personally assure you that all of us at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration have your safety in mind. Today, I would like to show you some of the steps we are taking on a regular basis to ensure the safety of our patients. Each of our patients are screened before they enter the office for any signs of illness. We check the temperature of both our staff members and our patients when they arrive at the office every time. Our front desk workers are separated from the public by plexiglass to maintain social distancing when patients arrive at our office. Our team of medical technicians continue to wear gloves and masks to eliminate the possibility of any cross-contamination between our staff and our patients. Each patient will be required to wear a mask during their visit to our office. If necessary, we obtain testing for COVID-19 before the patients arrive at our office. Here are some other steps we practice to maximize the safety of our patients and staff at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. We are limiting the number of patients allowed in our office at one at a time. We allow no walk-ins and only allow patients to visit our office if they have an appointment. Social distancing protocols would be followed in our lobby and waiting areas. Our procedure rooms go through deep cleaning every single day. Our medical facility will continue to be sanitized throughout the workday to ensure the safety of our staff and the public. If you have any concerns at all about the steps you need to take before visiting our office, please don't hesitate to contact us, and our staff will be happy to answer all your questions. We at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration look forward to seeing you soon.